I'm from North Carolina, and I was in your last session. Let's see, from your last session, I learned how to palm without cutting off the blood supply to my eyes, like at the bottom, which helped relax them a lot more. Prior to your course, but Nathan Oxenfeld,
Yes, great, a
minus
great also teacher.
4.5. Yeah, I had minus 4.5 in both eyes when I started this whole process, and I've improved them to minus 3.25. With
Yay!
the course, I was going down to minus 3, and something happened, and I didn't know how to deal with it. And driving at night or anytime I drive, I'm putting on the minus 3.25s on the glasses so I can see the signs clearly. At night, I have to go a little higher. What it's doing, it's reversing my improvements that I have made. So now instead of going back down to 3.0 or minus 3, I'm back at minus 3.25.